This carrot salad or kosambari is made with split green gram or mung beans, which we call it yellow moong dal. Carrot kosambari is vibrant, healthy and packed with protein. I have washed and soaked half cup of yellow moong dal or split mung beans for 2 hours. Now I am going to drain it and set it aside till we do the rest of the preparation. Here I have half a pound of carrots scraped, washed, and now I am going to grate them manually. You can use a food processor or any other device which you prefer. Try to grate it very fine as possible, so it's much more palatable when you are eating it. So we are done grating the carrots, so let's chop the cucumbers. I'm using baby English cucumbers. These are seedless and not watery, so they are really great for salads. I prefer to chop them, but if you wish you can grate them. There is absolutely no need to peel them, since the peel is very tender and peel also has lot of fiber and nutrition. If you are not able to find these small cucumbers, then use the regular English cucumbers or the pickling ones. Those are also a great option. Otherwise, the regular cucumber is also good, but then you will have to squeeze out the water. Now I am chopping the long hot green chilies. These are little spicy, but I strongly suggest you use them even if you don't eat much of a spicy food. Now it's time to add the frozen but defrosted half a cup of fresh coconut. Fresh coconut is really great in this salad, but if you cannot find it, by all means you can use dried coconut, but make sure you freshly grate them. Also we are adding our drained lentils and lots of cilantro or coriander leaves. These are green coriander leaves. And the best part now is tadka or dressing up the salad. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and add 1 teaspoon brown mustard seeds. Let them pop and add chopped green chilies, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric and good pinch of hing. Please don't skip the hing. It's really flavorful. Now let's pour over this tadka on the salad, and also we are going to squeeze fresh lime juice along with salt as needed. You can balance the salt according to your taste. Now it's time to mix the salad. It has to be well mixed for at least 2 minutes. You can even massage it like you do it for kale salad. This will bring out the flavor really well. This high protein salad can be refrigerated for a couple of days. But I assure you, once you have a bite of it, you're not going to stop it, and it won't even make it to the refrigerator. It is a great salad to take it to potlucks or any parties, and I'm sure you are going to be popular. Carrots are a rich source of vitamin A, biotin, K1, potassium, and lots of fiber and protein. So are the lentils. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Stay connected for simple recipes like this. Till then, goodbye.